dear students, how are you all? Welcome back again to the lecture series of semester 3 for the subject Pharmacognosy and Phytochemistry 1. So today we'll study the unit 5 under the category plant products. These plant products we have already studied before under category of plant fibers, that is cotton, jute and hemp. And in the same concern, today we will study about hallucinogen, teratogens and natural allergens in the plant products only. Now, in the common context to this chapter, we'll study about the term hallucinogen, what are hallucinogen, what are the different examples of hallucinogen, role of hallucinogens in the herbal drug industry, what are the new uses of the hallucinogens, discovery, research, teratogens, natural allergens. So, first, you should all be clear about the term hallucinogen. What is hallucinogen? Hallucinogen is a psychological type of effect. In this, you feel like schizophrenia. Schizophrenia is the mental disorder. In this, the patient has a certain perceptions. Perceptions means he thought like that this thing is happening, but it doesn't exist in the real state. So this is the kind of mental disorder. So in hallucinogens are the natural or the synthetic substances. Whenever ingested in the body, they alter the state of consciousness. They can change your state of the body when they are taken. Hallucinogen compounds often cause people to see random colors, patterns, events or objects. Means they can able to see certain things that are not exist in nature. People sometimes have a different perception of time and have imaginary conversations. The real danger of the hallucinogens are they are toxic in nature, and these substances are the narcotics. Is any substance, what is narcotic? Any substance that have a depressive effect on the CNS are the narcotics. So, under the hallucinogens, we'll study certain drugs. For example, first one is the Papaver somniferum, obtained from the Papaver somniferum is the plant called as opium, poppy, that is obtained from the exudation of the opium, and processed morphine, codeine and heroin. These are called as opiates from this, and they will give a euphoria-like effects. So these opiates have an important psychological effect. They slow the heartbeat and respiration, suppresses the cough, relax. These all are the pharmacological importance of the opium or the poppy. Next drug is the cannabis. This is also called as hemp, and this hemp on agricultural production and on pharmaceutical production, they can produce THC and cannabinoids. What is THC? THC is the tetrahydrocannabinol. So the second drug comes under this category is the cannabis, that is called as cannabis sativa. So these are the major uses of the cannabis. Now the third drug which comes under the category hallucinogen is the betel nut called Erica catechu. This is also comes under the category hallucinogen, will give a euphoria-like effect, and these all are the toxic in nature and the narcotics. Fourth one is the tobacco, obtained from Nicotiana tabacum. Under this, you have to study about the uses and the name of the drug. When tobacco is ingested in large doses, nicotine is obtained, which is a highly toxic poison, which causes vomiting, nausea-like feeling, stomach pains, in severe cases, even convulsions, or sometimes causes the cancer too. Next drug which comes under the category of hallucinogen is the datura stramonium, which is obtained from the datura, and it is also very dangerous, and if sometime it is taken for the first time, then the person will not take it for the second time because it's bitter taste and its effect. Next is the coca, which is obtained from the Erythroxylum cocae. So leaf can also be processed in a potent white crystalline powder. It is injected also and is smoked also. So when ingested in a small amount, this cocaine produce the feeling of the well-being and the euphoria life. Means they produce a depressive effect on the CNS. So this is the coca. Next is the belladonna, that is Atropa belladonna. Now These all are the drugs like belladonna, coca, and we have also studied opium. This comes under the hallucinogen. Next is the teratogens. What are teratogens? They are the agent that can disturb the development of embryo or fetus. So teratogens can abort the pregnancy also. So the drugs that comes under the category of the teratogens, in this you have to study the plant source, its main constituent, and the nodes means major functions of that teratogen. So in this you have to draw the structure also. You can choose any 2 or 3 drugs, for example Nicotiana species, Leucaena species, and you can also take from here Indigofera spicata, and you can draw the major constituent responsible for the teratogen. Now the third category that comes under the plant products are the natural allergens. Natural allergens generally states with the allergy. What is allergy? An immunological response to an allergen. If a immunological response seen in a patient is generally caused due to the impact on the immune system. So it is the allergy, the group of substance that causes the allergy are called as the allergens. So immunological responses are the generally the allergens. So come to the natural allergen. What are natural allergen? Allergy when caused to any person can cause a running nose or a difficulty in breathing, or the major symptom are the asthma. Some of the common allergens are the food. Maybe allergen come from the food, insect bite, it may be airborne, through the medicines, through the chemicals, through different drugs, herbal or synthetic. So allergens are the inciting means they are ingesting agents, the substance that are capable of sensitizing the body in an unusual response. Unusual response in a form of hypersensitivity reactions. So allergens are the proteins or the glycoprotein. Allergen extracts, these are the substances used for the diagnosis and the treatment of the allergic diseases. So the common allergens are arnica, the drug. Its uses, allergy to arnica has been recognized from several centuries from the research, various research product. It contains a sesquiterpene lactone. Next is the asparagus, which is also found. Now the types of allergen. So 2 drugs which we have studied in the category allergens. Now come to the natural allergens. Are the type. There are 5 types of natural allergen according to the mode of action. For example, inhalant. Next is ingestant. Another is ingestant, contactant, and infectant. These are the different types of allergen. Inhalant means inhalant allergens are the airborne substances as chemical causing respiratory diseases. Symptoms are sneezing, itching, eyes, paining or burning of eyes. Ingestant allergen which are present in food stuff we are ingesting. Next symptoms are these: bronchial asthma, migraine. Injectant, the injectable preparation that cause the allergy in the form of hypersensitivity means inflammation may occur. Itchings, erythema. These are the different types of natural allergen. We are studying contactant, any allergen that produce the hypersensitivity at the site of the skin or the mucus are the contactant allergy. When they comes in contact with the skin, certain anti-cosmetics can cause contactant allergy. Infectant, allergy caused by the metabolic product of the microorganism in the human body. For example, bacterial, fungal, protozoal cause of infection comes under the infectant allergens. Now, these are the important questions that comes from the plant products. For example, biological source of the allergens, note on teratogens, allergen, these are the hallucinogen. What do you mean by hallucinogen? Treason Evans is the good book for the reference for these drugs. Thank you. Be safe, stay healthy, and do subscribe our Pharma Ignite channel. Thank you.